tackling a major issue that can silently eat away your profits. And that is slippage. If you are trading with algos, this is something that you cannot ignore. And in this video, we will cover what is slippage, why does it happen, how to minimize it, and pro tips to manage slippage. So stay tuned till end of this video to know about the pro tips. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. Let's see what is slippage. In simple terms, slippage is difference between the price you expected to get and the price that actually get it when the order is being executed. Let me tell you with an example. Imagine you place a buy order at rupees 100, but when it gets executed, the actual price becomes 100.50 paise. That 50 paisa difference is your slippage, and this becomes a bigger issue when the market is volatile. There are actually two types of slippage. One is positive slippage and the second one is negative slippage. When you get a better price than expected, then this is called positive slippage. When the executed price is worse than expected, then this is called negative slippage. Now I will show you an automatic run that I have deployed in Quantman. So this is the automatic run that I have deployed in Quantman. When all my conditions are met, the Quantman has given the signal. The signal price is 124.15, but the broker has traded at 123.03. So in entry for a buy order, it has given a positive slippage. So on the same run for the exit, the Quantman has given 141.45, but the broker has traded at 140.08. So here becomes a negative slippage for the sell order. Now you will have a question like, why does this slippage happens? The first one is the market volatility. If there are any sudden price movements because of news, economic events or unexpected things, this will lead to a significant slippage. The second one is low liquidity. In illiquid markets, there will be few buyers and few sellers. So you may not be filled with the price that you may be expected. The third one is order size. Large orders might experience slippage as they consume available liquidity with multiple price levels. Fourth one, order execution speed. Delay in order transmission, especially in high volatile market, then this will lead into a heavy slippage. Hope you guys are now aware about the 4 reasons why the slippage has happened. Now let me tell you how to minimize this slippage. So now you are aware about what are the main reasons for slippage. Now let me tell you how to minimize slippage in algo trading with Quantman. First one, use limit order instead of market order. Market orders get executed immediately, but they can suffer with high slippage during volatile conditions. Limit orders allows you to wait till the prices reach the Quantman signal price. This helps in controlling slippage. Point number 2, optimize order execution speed. Quantman can execute your orders at high speed. This will help you to reduce your slippage. Third one, trade during high liquidity hours. Avoid placing large orders during market opening and closing time as there will be high volatile. Trade when liquidity is high, such as during peak market hours to ensure the prices impact minimal. Fourth point, adjust order size. Instead of placing a single large orders, break it down with small chunks. This helps in reducing market impact and ensures smoother executions. Fifth one, monitor and backtest performance. Regularly analyze your past trades to identify your slippage patterns. Use Quantman's detailed backtesting report to evaluate how much slippage your strategy is facing and plan accordingly. Here comes the pro tip to manage slippage for the traders. Choose high liquid instruments. Stick to stocks or index with high trading volume and tighter bid-ask spread to reduce your slippage. Let me tell you with an example. Nifty has weekly expiry. If you choose ATM, there will be higher trading volume. But when you go to deep ITM or OTM, then the volume will be less. This can cause a high slippage. For Nifty, you can use 0.25 to 0.5% as your slippage. Try this and analyze while you are backtesting for your Nifty strategies. Second one, keep an eye on your market events. Avoid trading during major market news that can affect your trades. Third one, keep an eye on IV of options. If the IV is higher in options, then there is possibility to get high slippage. Slippage is unavoidable part of trading, but with the right strategies, you can minimize this impact. With Quantman, you have advanced tool to control slippage, optimize order execution and trade effortlessly. Hope this video finds useful for you. For more such videos and updates, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Happy trading!
Trading and investing involve substantial risk and are not suitable for every investor.